Now we are in the machining side, the processing scene of the CNC milling machine. After the AGV finished transportation, the workpiece combined with the quick mode changing system. The robot automatically loads the workpiece and starts tooling. With the implementation of an intelligent manufacturing system, we can achieve the goal of a fully auto production line with the combination of IT and OT, thereby reducing manpower and the technical threshold. Next, let me show you the scene of the automation line. Let's look at this one. The dashboard is applied for this automation line. When we start tooling, the system will collect real-time production data during the operation, including tooling time, waiting time of transport, and the waiting time of loader and unloader. More importantly, it's able to monitor the effective operation of equipment with the OEE. Please follow me. When the workpiece is arrived, the tooling task is triggered. And the system tightly enforces the robot to carry out a feeding operation. The waiting time for feeding and loading is recorded and the feedback to the system for real-time OEE calculation. And you will see the dynamic OEE is shown on dashboard. After the tooling complete, the system records the overall processing cycle, the time of workpiece unloader and returning. In the digitalized factory, in terms of OEE calculation, it has achieved real-time calculation and monitoring. We can immediately start production adjustment based on the OEE data. For example, if the OEE is lower than 15%, an early warning will be issued. If it is lower than 30%, a notification will be made, and the improvement must be carried out immediately. This is the theme of the digital factory with the visualized production data. That is why the physical factory becomes the virtual digital model. The flow of the physical process will be reflected in the digital factory. The domain knowledge will be integrated to the applications such as the predictive diagnosis, results in the production improvement and the production life management, etc. This is the term you may hear in the field of the intelligent manufacturing, the digital twin.
Cảm ơn sự theo dõi của bạn. Hẹn gặp lại vào phần tiếp theo.